It's me, back again. Just saw a little quick, very quick, we don't got time for all that little extra shit, unboxing of the 2022 M2 MacBook Air. My very first MacBook. I've been using it for a little bit, and since I got off, I ain't really had too much time to really dig into it, because like I said in my Yeezy review, I don't know too much about none of this stuff no more, man. I lost all interest. Depression has kicked my ass. I'm just not up on the stuff no more, man. Got this MacBook because we got shit we trying to do, trying to get consistent with this YouTube shit, all this content shit. I probably didn't need it. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. Probably could have just done with the iPad. Probably didn't even need that, but you know, the option presented itself, so might as well go and make that leap, get the MacBook. I spent most of the day yesterday before work just looking at videos, looking at comparisons. I was just gonna get the M1 from last year and just, you know, leave it at that, but I couldn't do it, man. Like, now you see the little fingerprint now. I know they say this midnight color gonna be bad with the fingerprints, but I don't really care about none of that, man. I'm gonna get me a little protective case. Shit pretty nice, man. Like, one thing I saw yesterday while I was comparing the two, a lot of people talking about, you know, this MacBook ain't worth it. You know, just get the M1, or if you're gonna get this one, just spend a little bit more, get the Pro. I'm gonna tell you like this, man, ain't none of these MacBooks fucking worth it, bro. This shit's high as fuck. This shit was on sale and was still paid like $11.30 something for it. On sale. Like, bro, none of that shit is worth it, bro. The iPhone too high, Apple Watch is too high, AirPods and shit too high, Beats too high. But, you know, if we like these nice things, we gonna pay for these nice things. So this Mac should help me do what I want to do. It ain't nothing too intensive I'm trying to do. I don't know how to edit shit, so I ain't using nothing but iMovie. Might get into some Lightroom, you know, some photo editing and shit. Feel like this MacBook gonna serve me well, man. You know, depression is a terrible thing, so, you know, I've been trying to get out of it. Hopefully having this new device to help me get the ball rolling on things, well, you know, help me come up out of it, maybe. And I know I ain't getting to nothing in this video. This is about me. You know what I'm saying? I ain't getting to no tech reviews, no spec reviews. I just wanted to do a little unboxing, first impressions, really. I love it. I love it. I ain't even had the bitch a day. I love it, long story short. But other than that, though, I just wanted to get this little first impressions from first time MacBook owner. I probably check back a couple months, maybe a month, couple weeks. Once I done got to use it a little bit more, probably check back and see, you know, be like, damn. These motherfuckers wasn't kidding when they said that bitch start throttling when it get too hot. You know, be like, these motherfuckers wasn't kidding when they said 256, 8 gigs, the base model ain't enough. Like, damn, maybe I should have listened. I don't think I'm gonna run into those problems, man. I think I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna work with what I got. I appreciate you watching. If you clicked on this through a link I posted, or you just found it on your own, I appreciate it. Like it if you want, subscribe if you want. I ain't gonna ask you to, cause I'm not liking or subscribing to anybody's videos. I just fuck with what I fuck with, and I'm gonna continue watching. So hopefully y'all do the same with me, man. We'll get back with y'all.